of the accusations and apprehensions. Second, would one party feel that their rights to fair trial before an independent, impartial, and fair tribunal be upheld? The petitioners on that score are saying their rights under Article 50 to fair hearing, which is absolute, would not be possible in the circumstances of this case. Number two, there is a question of the right to protection of law under our Constitution. That right to protection of law requires that for it to be protected, there must not be any doubt that that protections would be availed if it is deserved in accordance with the law. The petitioners again say they have reasons to believe, as a result of all matters taken into account, that their rights under Article 27 will stand. Well, the final issue, it will not really have been final, but I have to finish. Well, the final issue that is critically important for this issue is the old notion, the old principle that justice must not only be done, but must actually be seen to be done. In the circumstances of this case, it is our submission that apart from the real issues that the petitioners have, whether perceptions, whether substantial issues, the petitioners are saying that, your lordships, they are unable to say that at the start of this proceeding, we are confident that these judges are capable of upholding our constitutional rights and to uphold justice equally between us. Lord, we are most observed. Thank you for letting me conclude substantially on what we set out to do. We are most observed.
Thank you. My Lord, before the next speaker goes on, I think it is something we are doing and it is not fair to the court. Because my learned friend was challenged by Professor Mutembei to tell you what is the specific thing. Then they take the posture, assisted by the senior, that we don't want to go there. You cannot eat your cake. The reason they don't want to go there, my Lord, is because it is frivolous. Now, the misfortune we have is this. The world is watching these proceedings. They said we don't want to go there. And the typical person watching this, there is something very serious about the integrity of the court that they have raised. When as a matter of fact, going by the list it began is that the judge attended the wedding. The judge went to a restaurant. In one of the applications, they said the judge went to some law school. Clearly, we are being unfair to the court. We want to paint a picture, hiding that we don't want to go there, so that the world will be left with the impression that there is something terrible about this bench. My Lord, I think it is Lord Cromwell who said, if you want to paint a picture of me, don't embellish it. Say it what and all. If they have any allegations now that we are broadcasting these proceedings to the world, if they have an allegation of any impropriety against any judge, they can't make the claim. For the gallery, then say, we don't want to go there. We submit the on the paper.
Whose machine is wrong?
There's something wrong somewhere. What happened? I'm headed. I'm going to go.
Yeah, you can.
There's something going on that is wrong.
That is the gallery. Not this one. It's the gallery. There must be something wrong with the gallery. So
My Lord,
it is
may I
something technical.
May I address my land friend?
Just a minute, just a
May I
minute.
make a comment on what the man?
No, just a minute, please. If you are using a gadget and your gadget could be causing this noise, please just set it.
May I make a comment, my lord? May I remind my land friend very, very respectfully. It is our duty to protect the
They are not protecting the court, they are telling the whole world that this court is improper, it is improper. They can't have it both ways.
May I say what I want to say?
When they apply for recusal, they have to you don't apply for recusal.
I think the